Hello guys, welcome to Outsource demo series. Today we have a new connector which is PrestaShop connector, and I already installed the module, and we have following many options. So first one is the credentials. In credentials we have a support of multiple accounts. You can add multiple accounts. So I just added a single account, but you have a support of multiple account and use accordingly. Okay, you just specify the account and it will work perfectly. So I can show or demonstrate the fields. These are the fields required. Okay, so these are the account section, or simply say credentials. And I move forward to the next menu, which is the connector. So in connector, as you can see, we have following services that we are integrated in Odoo. So we can check out all the services one by one, and we also have an option for the selection of the account, that which account we are using. Okay, so I have only single account and it will show only the single one. If you have more than one account, then it will show all the list of the accounts. Okay, and also we have an option for the daytime filter that will be filter out the specific data that we are looking for. Okay, so we will start with the customers service. So I just open the contact. So as you can see, we have few contact are here readily available. So we can export to PrestaShop customers. So we just check the export option, select this store ID and adjust the daytime filter. Okay, so after just click the sync button. Okay, so it will take few seconds and the process is completed successfully. So as you can see, we have the other many options, import history and export history. You can check out all the activities regarding to the import and export. Okay, so I just click the export history. So as you can see, the two new customers exported successfully. Okay, so from here in PrestaShop, and I'm going to customers to check out whether the customer are exported successfully or not. So as you can see, the Paul and Law, both contacts or customer are successfully exported from Odoo. Okay, so export functionality works perfect. So we will just add a new customer that will be import in Odoo. So I just click on add new customer. So I just fill out the some random values. Okay, so leave the remaining as well. So click the save button. So as you can see, the contact is successfully added. Also you can attach the addresses if you are required. So just add a new address and specify the email address, the other fields and other stuff. Okay, so I just remain the thing as well. Okay, so I just import the contact in Odoo. So I just click the import option, select the store, and we already in the time frame. Okay, so just click the sync button. So the process is executed successfully, and we can check out in contacts. I just change the view. So as you can see, the contact is, or a customer is added successfully. Okay, so as you can see, the both functionalities of customer import and export works perfectly. Okay, also you can check out the contact in invoicing and customers, and here are the customer as well. Okay, so we will move to the next service, which are product categories. Okay, so first we can check out in Odoo which product category that we are exported to PrestaShop product categories. Okay, so I'm already in invoicing module. In configurations we have product categories. Okay, so we all already have few categories, but we can create a new one. So I just mention okay, and leave the remaining as well. So I added a new category which is mobiles. Okay, so I just click the export option and store is already selected and we are already in the date and filter range. Okay, so I just click the sync button. So process is completed successfully, and I'm going to go check out PrestaShop in catalog, and here is the categories. So if any category is not belong to the any product, it will not showing it. You can check out in from empty categories. Okay, so it will show no any product is associated that category. So as you can see, the mobiles category exported from Odoo successfully, but this category has no any product belong. Okay, so this functionalities works perfectly. So I just create a new one, or we can import this category as well to adjust the data and filter. So I just the adjustment of the data and filter and import these all categories. So I just select the date and time. Okay, and after we check the import option and click the sync button. So the process is completed successfully, and we can check from the product categories. So I just refresh the page to load all the data resources. So it will take few seconds while loading all the data and the resources. Also you can, as I already mentioned, you can check out all the activities information like import and export operation from this menus. Okay, so it will take few more seconds while loading. So as you can see, the other remaining product categories are successfully imported in Odoo. Okay, you can also verify from these categories. As you can see, the cloth and accessories, the art, these are all successfully imported in Odoo. So both operations of product category works perfectly. So move on to the next service, which is the product. So I open the products. So as you can see, we have already a product. Okay, and in PrestaShop we have few products already, as you can see. So we just import and export the existing products to save the time. Okay, so first of all we select the option export, and I adjust the date time filter and click the sync button. So it will take few seconds while exporting the product. So the product is exports successfully, message appeared, and we can check out from the PrestaShop products. So I just refresh again, and if you did not see the product that you are looking for, you can search out from the search bar. So basically these are the products are filtered from the categories. So initially did not have the all the category options support, so I just search out the product name. So as you can see, the product is successfully added. Okay, so the export option or operation works perfectly. So I just select the import option and select the date time to import the existing all the products, as I demonstrate all the products here. Okay, so I just select all the options and click this sync button. So it will take few seconds. While loading all the products and internal operation. So the synchronization process is completed. So I just click the products. So as you can see, all the product from PrestaShop to Odoo import successfully. Okay, so both operations of the products as import and export works perfectly. So move to the last option, which is the orders, and it has only one operation, which is import. Okay, so I just demonstrate the order. So in order we have few existing orders already. So I just import these order to save the time. So I just select the option, and we already in all the store and daytime filter range. So I just click the sync button. So it will take few seconds. While collecting all the information regarding to the products and the customers. So the process is completed successfully, and we can check out from the invoicing module, customer, and the option menu is invoices. So as you can see, all the invoices are imported successfully in Odoo. You can also verify from the reference number that are the mentioned here. Okay, so import option of the order is works perfectly. So as you can see, we have the integrated or configured the services and demonstrate all the work scenarios. Also we are here to extend all the facilities or services and customize accordingly. Okay, so happy to use PrestaShop connector. Bye.